In this video we're going to look at median. First question we need to ask ourselves is, why is the median used? Because there's a load of averages in maths, but there's no real reason, or people don't know the reasons why they're used. So it takes into consideration outliers. Outliers is the maths word. Let me show you what that means. So let's say you've got 5 people at work. 4 of them are on £20,000 each, and 1 of them is on £100,000. You do the mean, add them all together, that equals 180,000, and then 180,000 divided by 5 equals 36,000. That's fine. However, if that's the director of the company doing it, and he says, okay, I've done the average of everyone who works here. According to my calculations, the average wage is 36,000. So everybody's on 20 grand. You don't really need a wage rise because you're, as a company, we're paying you an average of 36 grand. Is that unfair? Probably. Will it lead to a lot of disappointed people who are not getting pay rises? I would have thought so. So in order to get rid of outliers, or take in consideration outliers, instead of using the mean, use the median. How do you do the median? Right, there's median for odd numbers and median for even numbers. Median for odd numbers means that you'll have 3 numbers, 5 numbers, 7 numbers, however many numbers in a row. The first thing you do is put them in order, as such. Then you cross off each one until you reach the middle number. That middle number is the answer. If you were to say it in words, put the numbers in order from highest to lowest, and then cross each out of them until you get to the middle. Right, median, even numbers. So this is if you had 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, etc. numbers. So same thing, put them in order starting from lowest to highest. Once you've done that, same thing again, cross them out until you reach the middle. You will end up with 2 middle numbers. Get those 2 middle numbers and add them together. Once you've added them together, divide them by 2, and that will get your answer. And that's how to do the median.